Watch me find 10 new leads for my business in 5 minutes. No ads, no referrals, no waiting. Here are the 3 prompts I used to go get them. Step 1, find them. Instead of waiting to be found, I tell Claude exactly who I want and it tells me where they are. Copy this into Claude or any AI you like. Here's the prompt. What do I do? Who is my ideal client? Give me 10 places to find them and exactly how to reach each. And look at this, 10 real places with exactly how to reach each one. That's my afternoon sorted. You're not waiting anymore. You have a list. Step 2, reach them. The problem was never the people. It was the blank message box and not knowing what to say. Copy this into Claude. Here's the prompt. Write a short, warm first message to my ideal client. Mention one specific thing about them. Offer what I do in one line, no hard sell. And there it is. Warm, about 70 words, sounds like a person and not a sales robot. A real message, not a sales pitch. Step 3, follow up. One message is not outreach. The reply usually comes from the people you almost gave up on. Copy this into Claude. Here's the prompt. They didn't reply to my first message. Write one friendly follow-up for a week later. No guilt, no pressure, just an easy reason to reply. Short, kind, and it gives them an easy way back in. That's the message that gets the yes. The follow-up is where most people quit. Don't. Find them, reach them, follow up. 3 prompts, 5 minutes, and you're not waiting on referrals this month. The prompts are in the description, copy them, and swap in your own details. What do you sell? And who do you wish would find you? Tell me in the comments, and I might build the next video around it. If this was useful, subscribe. New systems for solo business owners every